Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place, the exact video file and its key specs so subtitles match. Once done, open Subscene with an ad blocker and type the title plus language. You should narrow results quickly. If too many hits, add year or episode number. Make sure to prefer recent uploads for better timing. Now click the most relevant listing and prepare to inspect subtitle details and uploader notes before downloading. You now examine candidate subtitle files closely, read uploader notes for sync/version, and preview a few lines to confirm language and spelling. Once satisfied, choose the correct format, SRT for simplicity or AS for styling, and click Download. If you get a ZIP, extract and inspect the file inside. Rename the subtitle to match your video file name, except the extension, so many players auto-load it. Make sure you finish by loading the subtitle into your player and testing a few scenes. If lines appear too early or late, use the player's subtitle delay control or a subtitle editor to shift timing in bulk. Small offsets matter. If styling is missing, switch to an AS file or enable SSA/AS support. And if text looks garbled, change the file encoding to UTF-8 and reload. That fixes most character issues. Remember, one quick fix usually resolves the rest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.